Hey, it's Andre here again with another quick note. Now, if you want, you can pause the video and read this little comic by XKCD, but I want to talk quickly about data visualizations. Now, we talked about this idea of exploring our data, right? And we can explore our data by looking at something like mean or variance or any statistical method to explore our data. But data visualization is another method we can use along with statistics to explore our data. So we often create these data visualizations like graphs to derive meaning from data. But it's easy to make graphs that are meaningless or misleading. And your job as a data scientist is not just to make pretty graphs and pretty visualizations, but to make visualizations that are actually meaningful and that are accurate. For example, axis is important. You need to know what the x-axis and y-axis is here. Otherwise, well, this graph is completely meaningless because we have no idea what it's measuring. This is a common mistake with beginners. That is, we assume that a graph is always telling the truth, and we jump to conclusions right away from data. Instead, we want to pause and reflect and make sure that whatever we're visualizing is accurate and testing it with different methods, trying different visualizations. We don't want to jump to conclusions right away from data. It takes a lot to understand this data. So, just a quick note, that is, just because we have data doesn't mean we have knowledge. All right, back to work.